Okay, hi guys. So we will be doing the part 8, wherein we will be completing the Excel add-in that we created the last 7 parts, and we will also do the website build for our add-in. I think the name I picked for the add-in was Trading Sheet, which is easy, I think, and uh, so few things that we need to do now is complete the Excel add-in, and then the subscription part. I'm managing subscription through Stripe. I have a Stripe account, so I will use that. And I also think of incorporating the Indian stock API, especially for trading stocks and all. And let's do that first. So let me share my screen. Okay. So let's go here, and so we are starting the Excel server, and let me start the Excel. Okay, so let's go to Zerodha add-in. Okay, I need to also start the backend server. So this is our Azure Functions backend. We will also be deploying this to Azure to make it production ready. But before I do that, I will need to integrate the historical data in this. This is fine. Let's do ncroc http 7071. And let me search ncroc. Let me change the URL. And let me change it here. So let me restart the Excel server, and let's go here. So if you see now, the information is coming here. Good. Now, okay. So this was the search icon. So implemented search here. So when you do, I think Reliance, so it will show the Reliance as one of the information here. Now, what I'm thinking is to add historical data, because it will help people. And in the subscriptions, I'm saying that you can use this, which we have already done. This part is already done. Real-time access formulas, functions, positions, fundamentals, and I need to do this Indian stock market API. Then this access historical data, which you get in the growth plan. So if I go to backend, I can just do here, just do Zerodha historical, and let me go to the Zerodha API. Zerodha historical data API. So you need to provide the instrument token in the interval. Interval has to be 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and the instrument list I already have. Okay, so this will be a continuous data. It will be minute from, so this has to be date and time. This will return several days of minute data ending today. This will be the kind of data, calendar candle data. It will give you OI data. So what I'm doing or thinking of doing is, so I will Zerodha to get OI data. Okay. Let me go to here. Let's go to take this thing handler. Let's go to Zerodha here and let's change this. So we get this and we get the instrument information here. Let's say const instrument ID is equal to ID. If any case there's no instrument, I don't think this will happen. Now what I need to do is yes, I need to give it an access token. So user ID is equal to body user ID. Now if not user ID, then I can say missing user ID. This is fine. Now const user info. Yeah, this is fine. Let access token is equal to user dot access token. Now I need to do is so it will be from to except 0 or 1 and OI. So it should be now const from to continuous and OI. Okay, so this will help. Now what I need to do is see if there's any case if not from or not to, then no. So I will say is 10 2 is equal to make it current date time. So it has to be of this format. Date. Now from can be uh, subtract 30 days from now. So your from is this. Okay. Now see if your to is this, past date is equal to date. Now I want is if there is no to, and if there is no from, then past date is equal to or otherwise we'll take the current date, and if not continuous, use continuous as 1, and if not OI is equal to 0. Got me, good. So this is how we can get it. Then let's try and do a catch. uh, Choose this in here. So this is API key and access token. Let historical data is equal to get historical data instrument ID interval from date to date continuous OI. So I need to also get from to and one more thing is here interval. I think I will do day here. Yeah, so if I do this, so now what I can do is instrument ID interval, then from to continuous OI. Otherwise we can do an error. Okay, I can try this now with Postman. Zerodha API Zerodha underscore historical. Okay, I think better ways to do is through here. So trading symbol is this. Uh, so I need to get user ID, trading symbol, exchange. And then I need to, yeah, this is fine. I don't need to provide a source. It will automatically compute. Let's try internal server error. Assignment to constant variables. Okay, I know this has to be let. So now let's do this. Invalid segment for continuous data. Okay, so let's say it is 0. So we don't have continuous data. So I'll put 0 here and let's try this. Yeah, so we get the historical data, which is from 2017 and it has to be from 615. Yeah, so we get this open, high, low, close and volume. So this is how we get the historical data for Zerodha. Now let's put it into the Excel file. So once we do a search here, I would say suppose it's searching for Reliance, and I will put a button here which says download historical data. So let me go to here and let's go to search tab, and so this is ID. So this can be flex row, justify between item center. I can put this in a div for add a button to download historical data, and let's say it's a button. Okay, this is fine. I will change this later. So if save this is fine, then let's reload this. And okay, so I will give it to the change button to icon based with a similar styling. Okay, now I will wait for this to change. Okay, so let's do this. Let me check Reliance. It says a button here which I can do three x accent. Okay, now I need to change this. Change the okay. I need to create a historical model .jsx. Const historical model.
Adios, amigo. Powering off.
And okay, create a historical model that can be invoked from the search tab on download, wherein we ask for the parameters of interval from to continuous and OI as per the Zerodha historical. So it will create a model for me, and it will give me the option to do this. See, while this is happening, I need to think of how to create a website also. The reason we need a website is now we need to put it on AdSense, and if we want to do a lot of marketing, we need a website to showcase this. Uh, I uh, I use Sheds in blocks. is one of the best tailwind, I would say, template blocks and everything that you can use to create any website very fast. So it always keep on updating themselves, so it's very good. I will sign in with my account here. I have a premium account on this, and let's wait. This is happening. Meanwhile this is happening, I will also open my website. Dev. So this is the one that I'm currently using. This is our official website. I will put one of a solution here to replicate something like, I would say, products. Let's go to Shopify WhatsApp agent. uh, I might do one stream to show you guys what kind of Shopify WhatsApp agent that I have built, and how it really works. So this is kind of a UI that is there for the, I would say, this is for our WhatsApp. I think I would create a similar one uh, for my trading sheet. So while this is done, okay, this is done. Now let's do is just reload. And let's say relying on historical candles, PSC day wise or 60-minute day from I think it would be better to use a library. I think we should use a library for date management in historical model. Yeah, so this is happening now. Coming to the website, see, market XLS has already has this kind of a, yeah, they have this kind of a website. This looks nice, by the way. uh, they have done their own thing. I can tell this is fine. What our traders are saying, live option chain analysis in your Excel. Stop switching between kite engine and Excel. Get all, let's see the live rating on your spreadsheets, and see the market XLS plugin. As simple as you type a formula, option Greeks, and OHSL, and time, depth, and OI date range. Track changes, track open interest, uh, get live prices, get market data. This is fine. See, this is what we're already doing. Some of the things I can also do here, but I want to get the first MVP out, get people onboarded, collect some feedback, and then I can do more changes to this. This pricing is fine. I don't need to show pricing here. Okay, so they have this kind of a thing, and let's go here. So yeah, it's adding date FNS. Okay, now how do I make this thing? So let's ask ChatGPT what should we have, and Zerodha add in valuation. Exactly, is the streaming growth. Okay. Okay, I will ask it. I'm creating a website for the add-in to showcase it to potential users and marketing. Tell me how we should structure the sections in the page where in I'm using Shetzian blocks. So it will tell me what we can do here, and let's go to Excel. Let's restart the Excel add-in. Okay, and let's see to subscribe. Oh no, not subscription. Yeah, I need to complete the subscription part, but before I do that, so let's go here, Reliance, go here, it will give me option, and it will also give me this. Okay, let's download. Yeah, so it does it's giving me in download. I don't want to download it, by the way. So I will ask it to put the data with these historical data, and I will ask it to put it in the Excel file. Put the response from the historical data to a separate sheet with the trading sim the trading symbol of the stock in the Excel sheet. uh, use let's wait for this. Use task pane.js for reference in the documentation of Zerodha kite is provided below. Okay, while this is happening, let's go. This is zero hero section. What is our structure here? So left to right, GIF or a short loop, headline, Excel trading portfolio terminal for Indian markets, live market design. Okay. Okay, let's start with this. What I can do while this is happening, so I can go here. This is the Next.js website. So I will go to products. In the slug, I can do is I can create a okay, let's take this one. And what I can do is I can just say this is a trading sheet. So this is trading sheet. Let's go to here and trading sheet, and so this is fine. I can go here. I can change the slug trading sheet. Why it's not should be not okay. Yeah, this is fine. So now I can do is let's go to shits in blocks, templates, blocks. all. Let's go to hero here. No blocks. Mm, okay, so now it's coming. Okay, while this is happening, let me also check this thing. So we're going to do this. You want to on the machine to include exchange and interval overwriting system data. Tell me the behavior you prefer, and I will adjust it. If there is an existing sheet, then delete that and create a new one with the fresh data. Okay, so this is happening, and let's go to here. I need a good with the CTA. I think this is fine. This one we can take. Mhm. The thing is, if I take this, it has this blocks. I don't know. I want to show blocks here. This is fine, but this is not gonna be. I can use this also. It's 229. Do I have 229? Okay. Anyhow, I need to create this trading sheet. Okay, I can use this. This is also good. Blocks. Mm, this is also good, but this is not. This is similarly that we are currently using. Okay, I think I like this one. Let's start with this. Okay, so we will do this. We copy this. Is it copied? Let's do this. And let's install this package. Okay, while this is happening, do you like to overwrite it? No. Yeah. So I will remove this entire thing, and let's take this hero 229 here, and let's change this to hero 229. Yeah. So let's go to our website. I would say trading sheet. Yeah. So this looks good. Now I need to show something like a terminal on an Excel. Okay, I want to create a component in this Excel terminal TSX. let's do 5.2. Create a React component with similar UI like 0 to 9 that can be shown below it for showcasing an Excel based for an Excel based terminal showing different Indian stocks and their LTP, ATP, volume, high, low, close. Also the values, also the LTP is changing values like a terminal with green and red flicker. Okay, so that will create the React component for us. Now let's go and to Excel. It says it has done this. Let's reload, and what I can do Reliance, and I can just click on this from and to. So it's 1 month data, and I can say download. Yeah, so it will give me the data like this for Reliance. Cool. And it shows data. Okay. And if I want to do it for let's say from 10th, I think this, let's say from 10 to here, then it's a download. Yeah, it's looking good. So it will give me the historical data. Okay, the date selection UI in is still not good. Make it easy to use or maybe use a better library for it. Okay, let's wait and let's see our run lint. I don't want to run lint, it's fine. And so if you try and trace now this Excel terminal, okay, now let's, yeah, so this I can remove, make the external terminal as integrated part of hero, which fades in or out with scroll to make it look good. Don't make it a separate section. So this is happening. Let's go here and let's wait for the server to start. So this will fine. Let's search. Let's say it will be Tata this time. And this is Tata Power. If I click on this, we have quick range 30 days, it says whatever it is. So let's say 30 days. I think this is not working. Okay, I will check this. This is, let's take 60 minutes data. Let's just download it. Yeah, so it will be Tata Power and we get the entire data from it. Cool. So I think quick range is not working. Yeah, it's okay, it's working. This is changing. Yeah, so we have the historical data now coming from this. Good. I think this I need to change. This needs to take full height, and this blue can be changed to black to make the consistent UI. Okay, so what I can do is so text can be black. Let me restart this. So nifty. Yeah, so this is black now. This looks fine. Okay, this looks good. I need to increase the height of this. I think yeah, this max H80. So if I say H is equal to full, and let's okay, so this looks good. This looks great. I think this I can change to lines and something like this. And so we have access to historical data now. I do search. Let's do Reliance. Yeah, so it will be a complete, yeah, but uh it's completely doing a search bar. Okay, so this is the import. Okay, let me ask this to do it. I can keep this, make the input to slash search bar constant while only the list scroll to full available height in search tab. So okay, so this is fine. Let's go to our website. Yeah, now you need to either remove this and put it a little up. Okay. If you want the tunnel to fade in only, make the terminal Excel terminal look like it's being happening on an actual Excel file, because we are creating an add-in for Excel. Okay, so this is happening. Let's go here, search policy, and let's do it lines. Let's yeah, so this is fine. Cool. And now this is working fine. This is working fine. Historical data we are getting. Okay, this is done. One next thing I'm looking to is in this is this integrating this news or stock details, like news and trending stocks. Uh, so I will show how I can do this. And so I'm thinking of showing trending stocks from this, and I can, where can I show this? So I want to show it in the home tab, but I don't know how I can manage this. Either I create sub tabs or I do this toggle part here somewhere. I think I can put few buttons here, like a trending icon here, and if you click on that, it changes this part to show trending stocks. Similarly, I can do it for news. Okay, or I can also do it for other things. I think this would be better. I can just put buttons here. Okay, let me go to the home tab. Let's do a search. Not this one. Let's search data trending 24 regular. I can put a button here. Data regular 20. I wanted 24 here, by the way. Okay, let's reload this. Yeah, so it has this now, and let me use this. Is false. Okay, now I can change this to show. Okay, so what I'm doing is I can change this to something like this, and I can say if is trending, let's do this. No, not looking good. I'll ask make this icon button like a toggle wherein black background means active. Okay, so this will happen. While this is happening, I go to here, not here, yeah, so I go to here. Yeah, so that it will show up something like this on our website. So I'm creating my website here for people to check. Okay. Okay, and just put this. So I will change the content of my website, and let's say if I go back here, yeah, so it becomes active. Cool. Now what I need to do is I need to show the trending widget. Mhm. So okay, now it's a const. Okay, let's go to site. This is not looking good. Increase the overall height of the hero so that the terminal doesn't I would say overlap the hero content. The terminal should be below the okay. Now I'm back to this. Let's go to here. How do we get this so trending stocks? Okay, let's use 10 stack query. Let me just use this. Okay, use the 10 stack query in trending stocks to get the trending stocks from the API like the curl below. see response from the API is like this. Okay, so this is happening, and let's go here. Yeah, cool. So this is looking better. Cool. I think this looks way better. And this is fine. What I can do now is, what is this telling me? Why this exists? So it's a feature grid. Use 3 short points. Close this. Close with one line. This adds in connect all 3. Okay. So I need to use a feature grid. Okay, before I do that, okay, this is happening still. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's go to blocks. By the way, this is how a lot of startups make their website really fast. Uh, there are other ways to do it, but if any company or startup has people to do it, this is how they do it. There's no other way. If you are using, I would say, see, you can do it various other ways as well, but I think this is the best way to do it really fast, and the quality is way good. Various features. I don't get features. Okay, sorry, features. Okay, let's see how we can show features here. Okay, so basically how this other company does it, it says it's okay. I can put here something like works on all platforms. This is fine. Uh, okay, let's wait for this first. Okay, I can go to zero. Uh, put a text below CTA that it connects directly to your Zerodha slash grow account. So I want to show it something like this. Manual by design. I don't need manual by design. Okay, let's wait for this to complete. Let's just remove this. Okay. Show tags. Let me take tags from somewhere else. Starts. Okay, let's go to Shetsian. Let's go to starts. Let's go to tags. There's tags. So there's no starts. Bento. I think it was bento. I think I can show bento with this kind of a thing, showing all the things. Now pricing project, and I don't need this. Testimonials is fine. Projects, services, I don't need this. Snap bar starts. Okay, let's go to my website. Just replicate this. I want to show something like this, or I can show something like this, built for Shopify stores. Let's go here. Okay, trust slip. Show tags below the Excel terminal. The Excel terminal in Hero 2 to 9. Similar to trust stripe 3. Okay, so this is happening. Also supports this comment. It's a key from process.union API. Okay, the case maker just small missing. Okay, in API key, let me put the key here for the time being. I will change the key later, by the way. So I can do this. And let's go back to Excel. Let's reload. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, what I can do is I can say that whenever, okay, I can do it myself. Let's see. Equity, get positions, card content, can fetch and has data. Connected to view this and this. Okay. is trending open, then I would say then I can show the trending stocks. Otherwise, I can say I need to show this thing. I need to show this part. But I think I need to install prettier also in this. Otherwise, it will be difficult to manage. Okay, so what I can do is I can reload. Let's see if this is fine. Loading, trending. Yeah. Mhm. Make the UI compact and clean in trending socks with tabs to switch between gainers and losers. By the way, I don't need these also. This is not required. Okay, cool. And let's wait. Okay, this pills. I think it's done. Let's go to here. Okay, looks good. Excel add-in, Indian market focus connector, manual execution by design, fundamentals in chat portfolio sync, live LTP style updates, and this and that. Cool. So this is done. Now I need to show the. It's saying that it should show a features grid. Before showing the features grid, I want to show and focus more on my product, by the way. Mhm. Yeah, looks good. Great. Let me go in here. Show terminal like colors for chain and other data values and trending stocks. Okay, so this is done. I need to add few things. So what could I show? I want to show how this actually works. Because this is saying emotional logical dissonance. Why this exists? Okay, let's focus on why this exists and how do we want to show why this exists. It's to use, but I don't want this. I think I can use this stats 515. It is saying that raw real for great execution, poor and this and that. What I can do is I can show and this looks good. And choose stats 15. Okay. So we have stats 15. Let's put here. Let's just do this trading sheet. I don't want this documentation and all, so let's just delete this entire thing. So if I go to my app, it says numbers, dot line, everything. So I will ask it to change this. So change the start 15 to focus on why the idea exist and how it will help users. Some reference points are okay. This is changing. Now let's go back to our add-in. So it has done this change. I don't want blue. Where's this blue coming from? I think black is much better than just showing a blue color. White text slate 500. Let's do text slate 500. Okay, this is fine. And let's do trending news.jsx. News data. Get a similar UI for trending news and trending news, which is sample response of the trending news. Just put site underscore news.json and let's just copy this and it's news. Okay, so this is happening. I think this is changed. Let's go to my it changed entirely, man. This is not what I'm looking for. This will undo the 4 files. Cancel. Let's just do undo here. I want to keep change this in and want to keep the same UI keep the same UI, but text slash impact has to change of it. Okay, so this is doing trending news. While this is happening, let's go to home tab. Let's just change this to is news open, set news open. News 24 regular. I think one neat thing I need to do is and I now need to change this is news open, so I can show here trending news. Cool. So let's reload this and we have news. I think the UI has to be a little better. Let's just do this. Yeah, so toggle is working fine. Make the news UI compact and compact and better in trending news. So this is happening. Yeah, so what exactly we did in our while this Excel in, they will do very fast, not to test logic, compare scenarios or reason is no shit. Three portfolio live context. Excel doesn't make sense. Explain these three scenarios in and now this is done. Now the product capabilities and you show product capabilities. So what exactly you can do? Mhm. Features grid or a features tab. I guess that 15 is done. Let's refresh this. So what exactly this means execution? Okay, if I do this, okay, make terminal Excel terminal optimized for mobile screens. So this is happening. This has happened. Why this thing has gone here? news here. Okay, I think this is good enough. Statement endpoint. See, IPO data. I think stock details is definitely I'm gonna cover. Statement endpoint. This is contains your fundamental data, by the way. So suppose that lead contains y underscore results. If I do this, it's a balance sheet. If I say Reliance, let's say y underscore results. They had this total profit and everything. I think stock details is definitely I need to cover. Fundamentals, I am not sure how I can do that. How Zerodha fetch fundamentals data of companies. Okay, then reward descending the PNL. This isn't fine. I'm not interested in how you do it. Picture finance. What exactly is this? Research tools, market events, stocks trainer, technical valuation, bank runs, stocks screener. No results available. See, I know screener is really good with this. Stock screener. And they show this and this. This is price on NSC. Head-to-head comparison. Yeah, see this. They have this quarterly results as well. Segmental returns. They have this profit and loss part also. I think they are somehow using this Method Analytics Private Limited. Balance sheet and this support. Is there any API of this? Mhm. AP5 API. Screener.in. Shashwati. Shashwat Trivedi. Screener scrapper for custom query. When did you join? May 2025. Okay. Pay per user. Your subscription plans. I think this most likely a scrapper, by the way. Yeah, it's a screener scrapper only. So I just give it like this. Even use when the mode is run query, screener username and password. Save and start. Starting when running the actor. Data set. Where is data set? Okay. Let's go to here. Yeah. So it's a scrapper basically. Mm, so basically this is peer comparison, and I do this expenses, material cost, other income. I think there is also screener, Chrome extension would be there. Enhanced also in real time, no spreadsheet. Enhances smart screen. I don't know. Let's ask ChatGPT if this is a good idea. Is scrapping data using from screener through Python a good idea for fundamentals? Especially if you see the fundamental crisp form. Explicitly disallows auto-edit scraping, a constantly blocked, unstable, and incomplete data. Okay. But uh, if I use the Excel add-in to open the URL in a dialog and then copy the content from the HTML to be pasted in Excel. That still by doesn't really make it legal. Excel add-in opens a dialog view, read it and paste in Excel. Our legal perspective is still scrapping automated, but just with extra steps. Since using screener inside it does not change the terms of the restrictions on providing data extraction, the still uses limitation. Auto reads DM, passes table, fills Excel without a manual copy. It is function the same as scrapping, but little likely even if user login page opens visually, no direct scrapping. Since you are a restricted tool, potentially paid related automation exposed to outer bands. Okay, let's forget screener. Then Okay, I need to. This is fine. So, mm, okay, I think this is fine. Okay, I don't know why this portraying view. I think I will change this. Uh, mm, I think I will and the stream here, and I will do some research on the fundamental data if I can find it. Okay, before I do that, I think I should stop doing a lot of things. I think I'm overworking now on the Excel plugin, and let's just complete few things first, because this also requires a extra API, and I don't want to make it so tough for people. So I think this is fine. One thing I can think of just adding is this stock details API. I think stock details will give you a lot of information of a specific stock. This is where we can end it. I think stock details could come something like this if you do Reliance, and I can just put a some kind of a button here, or you can just select this and it will go to uh, in a page where and show the stock details. So this will be end of the entire thing. Then let me finish this website thing. I think there is a background noise also coming. There's a function going on, but I want to complete this as early as possible, by the way. So let's go to what was this saying? Uh, product capabilities. This key ratios, I'm still not sure this will give you any information. PE, ROE, ROC, extra function assistant, data monitoring. Okay, I think I will use this bento. Before I do this, what I'm thinking is I'm thinking of showing them Zerodha subscribe kind of Excel functions. If I go here, so this is fine. If I stop switching between and this and that. So this is kind of a GIF they have used mostly. Yeah, save images. This is GIF most likely. Relive died NSC real time NSC whatever it is, and live option chain analysis here, solve between XLS and get all the linears and build your own trading systems. See, trading system is not something, they are not doing anything. Trading just prices. Excel again, click look at the this. Yeah, so I want to focus on this showing my part. So what I can do is uh, what I will do is I will give this to my website and I will say uh, Excel add-in home, uh, create a sample React UI in Excel of the add-in that is similar to the image. So it will do that. And so the reason I am using components React and not this is because I don't like if this collapses, then the image doesn't look that good. However, if you go to the website that we are creating, if I just if someone opens it on mobile also, you see that okay, it's a good thing. I think we'll remove this fading and fade out kind of a thing, and so that is why it looks good. So let's wait for this. And second, I want to show logs. It's something like it is connected. Let me check if they have something like connected. Let's go to all. Yeah, so I think I will change this and use something like oh, wait, connect. Let's do 250. Yeah, I think we can also show this uh, to showcase it's really real time. Okay, where is my okay, let's go. I think it did something. Okay, it's still doing, sorry. Let's wait for this. Meanwhile, I can also get this thing. So I like this. Let's go feature 254. 254 somewhere here, and 254. So it says always connected. We use real-time web socket connection to ensure training time is always in sync with the market movements and Excel your Excel sheet. And if you want, okay, let's just use this now. Okay, let me go to Excel trading sheet. Terminal panel, or terminal panel. Where is this? Add in home stats. So if I go back to my app, it says cannot resolve products trading sheet. Okay. Okay. Let me change this to this. Let me restart this. Import Excel in home. I think something is off. Yeah, so let's go here. Yeah, I think this looks good. Okay, I want to now. I can I can remove the subscribe button. Let me just remove the subscribe button. Okay. Okay, so now it will show up something like this, and I want that. And I want to show something like on the top. Uh, on the left hand side of the Excel add-in, I want to. Okay, so I think it would be better if I use something like this. Mm, not this. I used that somewhere. Uh, I think let me go to features. This is fine. And let me go to features. Here is features grid. Let me search some grid here. What is your left hand side grid? uh, no. Features, let's go to gallery. Gallery. So these I'm already using. Mhm. Project. I'm not getting the right integration. I can show integration, but I don't think timeline, team, download, logging, shopping cart, compare, product list, shader. Project, community, promo banner, order summary, awards, product categories. Let's go to product category. Okay, what happened to this? Product category. Okay. Live purchase, case study, product specs. Okay, this is very huge. Product specs. Man, I'm so confused what to use in this. Uh, Not getting a good solution. You can also use something like this. Let me. I think this looks better. What I can do is, yeah, I can change this to match, uh, or I can, yeah, I think this one looks good. I think what I will do is, uh, I think I will use something like this and show uh, different UIs. I think this will be better. Let's use NXP153. No, and let's just use this is 153, and what I can do is feature 15. Yeah, so I will change this to uh, without a learn more. Let's see if I just do this. Key features. Okay, so what I will do is I can key features. 1 second. Yeah, so I will use this Excel add-in home is fine. Let's do order execution, and let's put here, and let's put insert orders variety. What is the variety? Let's do regular. Data power exchange NSC transaction type by order type CNC quantity 1 validity day 1 product. I don't know product. What is the product? Okay, CNC order type is market. Let's do Reliance, and let's do one more, which is eternal. And let's just put limit, and let's put price of 100. And let me just do this, and let's do validate order. Okay, now create similar UI like Excel add-in ham home in the image for order execution. Okay, while this is happening, I will do this is home is fine. By the way, I got what I got. Features 153. Features 153. Stats. What is okay? Features 153. I will use like this. I think I added 294 or 194. Let's to connect. This is 254. Yeah, so 254 I can add next. Okay, now mhm, I cannot see 254. Let's just put here for the time. No, let's put here for the timing. Yeah, so always connected use to sing with market and become a member. I can remove become a member. Zerodha logo transparent PNG. And let me just save image as. Okay, so become a member. I can change this. Now, a few things I can do is okay. Let's see. Yeah. Now what I can do is, if I go here, if I go to stock details, and I will do eternal, or what I can do is, uh, so peer list companies, if I use this, yeah, so I can use something like this. Now what I am thinking is, I don't know how this, no, they don't have this. Mhm. Okay, anyhow, I will just use these directly in the, where is this trading sheet feature 544. So and let me use this one more thing. So now let's see. Yeah, so we are seeing this coming, and let me use this data technologies. If I somehow, let's see if this works. It's 616. Yeah, this is working fine. Let's change this. Let's say this. Yeah, this is not working. Let's say Sun 7. No, so this is broken. So I will use something like this, and I will change here. Yeah, now it's coming. What I'm gonna do is I will just put, let's say if I can put Swiggy. I don't know, Swiggy is, yeah. So let's do this, and let me put it here and fix JSON. Let's go to ND Urban Company Delivery. So they don't have Eternal as a peer list, by the way. So anyhow, I will just put these. Let me also change few things. Let's see if this works. Where is my website? Yeah, this is working fine. Cool. Now this looking good. So feature 254 is done. Okay, so I can remove this Zerodha add-in from here. I can just close this thing. Creating sheet. Mhm. Let me also remove this disconnect button. I don't think this is adding any value. Hmm. Okay, now okay. If I just remove this cancel button, let's just remove this cancel. Yeah. And let's just put XSM. No. Yeah. Text XM. And now next thing I can show is always connected. Uh, this is fine. So this has four. I think this one is fine. And so the next I can no next one I can do is I can do and show search sl stroke search dot jsx, create a UI for Excel stock search similar to the attached image. And what I can do is subscribe and logs is fine because I already said it's always connected and subscriptions is fine. One thing I wanted to show next is the Excel. want to show on an Excel different kind of formulas that you can use. So this is my next part. Because this thing, see, this is fine. I don't want to show these kind of things. This is fine. See the market, this is also fine. Yeah, so this is this thing I want to also show track changes. Angel one previous close. This is fine. See, this is what we are also getting. OCLC and depth and Y day range. Option Greeks is something we are not doing. See, this entire thing is something we are getting definitely from all the WebSocket. We are not getting this option Greek. I can add this option, this in the formula. This is fine. I don't want to show pricing in here. I think I will show testimonials in it, and then we can wrap this up. Okay, this has done it, and search is fine. Hmm. I think better than this would be to show the more stock details that we show. So if we go here and I can click on it and I will show the result from the API of this thing. So this is how I'm thinking of showing it, the fourth one. So this is fine. So let's go to trading sheet. Now I don't want to show, so key features. Yeah, so this is fine. Yeah, this one I need to change. Basically this is okay. I want to uh, place the next. Now index title is okay. I don't want this, and I also don't want this learn more, and this thing is fine. Below this I want to show my description across the light down this. If I just remove, and let's see if I want to show Excel home add in here, let's say, yeah. So it's actually now info is fine. Component I can put Excel home add-in, and then I have to show Excel order execution, and then as a component I want to show Excel stock search. This is Excel stock search. this is fine. Let's just keep the last one. Excel stock search. Now this is fine. Carousel item is this. Let's say I want to show the item dot content. Yeah. Okay. Revamp feature URL with information and content on the left with the UI of it on the right to make it easy to read. Let's change this. And then we are good. And let's say I want to this is fine, all was connected. This I don't want to show now. I think when was this bento thing, I will use that. And I will use this to show key features again. Features 276. And let me use 276. What is it? Yeah, so we have 276. Let's go to trading sheet. Let's use feature 276. And then I think I will show the Excel formulas that you can use. So if I go here, I think this buttons I don't need. Make the UI of Excel add-in home, Excel auto execution, and Excel stock search compact so that they take less vertical height. Now this is future 276. Yeah, so this I can change, and Let's just read this product capabilities. I think this is part of the core features only, how it works. Okay. I think what I'll do is pricing. I'm not sure who is this for. Yeah, FAQ section I need. Footer is not required. And so for how it works, I will show the Excel. Uh, I will show the Excel thing with the formula that is working and explain this pricing. I'm not adding. FAQ and testimonial is the only thing I need next. Let's see. This is very big. I need a small testimonial section. Okay, I will just use this one, testimonial 6. And then I need a FAQ section. I need something. I think this one is fine with the CTA. View all FQs I can remove, and this I can. Yeah, this is fine. I don't want. What was this testimonial 6? And then I can add here, and let me remove this entire thing. This thing I need to do, uh, which I will do later, and these few things I can do later. This is always connected. Key features, this I'm making better. I don't know why there's so much vertical space. Yeah, this I will need to change. And after this I have this. After this I will show the formulas. After that I will show testimonial 6. Where's testimonial 6? And then I can do FAQ 7. Okay, so it says it has done this. Yeah, so it looks like a little bit of done. I want to make features 153 or yeah. So I want to make feature 153 compact. wherein there is a lot of white space as per this, as per the image. Make it look easy and look better, compact and easy to, and without too much spacing. I think I will use Claude in here because Claude is very fast compared to GPT. Okay, next I can do is, I don't want to wait for this to complete. I'll just do duplicate workspace. What I will do is, while that is happening, products slug trading sheet. Okay, and I will ask, GPT-5, change the content in testimonial 6 as per our overall functionality and of trading sheet Excel add-in. Take reference from the take reference for content from trading sheet.jsx. So while that is happening, this will change the testimonials, and next I will change the FAQ7. So let's see, it has done some changes. There's still a lot of space. Mhm. If we do this, I have to increase this content then. Okay, do the similar changes in FAQ7. I think this is fine. I will figure out if I want to add. Where is this? Okay, this is done. Let me trading sheet feature to change the content in feature 276. Now what I'm thinking is, if we hover then it increases, otherwise it shows let's do this request. I don't want this button. Okay. A better idea is that in case of large screens, we show the right Excel component as uh, with with same height of that of the left contained with a white overlap in the end, wherein when the user hover its cursor to the right component, we show the full Excel component. And this will keep the default UI compact. Let me give it to GPT 5.2. Okay, this is done. This is done. Let me just do this. Okay. So this what I can do is why we are find this. I don't want to show this part, or let's just remove this. But let's just remove this entire thing for now. And cool. So I will change this by trading it secure. Take okay. Now this is happening. The last thing I need is this Excel like thing. What I'll do is this is just I want to show the different functions that the Excel supports. So create an, a fake excel component with animation of um, um, let's see, animation of, let me put the function here, the animation of the function writing and response as per the function in functions.js. Create component in excel formulas. Okay, so this will create that, and if I go back, so our website will be ready. So always connected. No, I think this needs to change. This looks fine, but I want that when you hover it, this entire thing increases. So yeah, so this thing is fine. Trading workflow inside Excel is also fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, I need to fix this part, and then I think I can put this. I can put this above and this below, because this is not looking good. And let me go to the website trading sheet. So this is one component, second component. Let me put this thing above this. Yeah, so features always connected. This is fine. Okay, I need to fix this. The hover functionality is not working correctly, wherein I want to show the full component. I want to unhide the full React component and not make it hover over the existing one. So let's wait to this to, okay, so this has been created. Excel formulas. So let's always connected. Yeah, so I think this looks better. uh, I want to show this in the middle. Okay, make Excel look like a Shetzian block and take reference from, I can give it a reference from FAQ with a title and subtitle. Also make the Excel and the component center while showing the, okay, let's just focus on this. Okay, and let's see if our Yeah, so now it works fine. So if we hover it, it's otherwise it was taking a lot of vertical space. So this looks fine. I think on mobile I need to fix this part. It's coming on the right hand side. Otherwise this looking good. Otherwise it's actually looking good. Let me check. Yeah, this thing, it's, yeah, streaming function. Okay, let me change this. So I think I can just remove this. Trading news. Let's go to formulas. Let me just remove this. Excel functions. Yeah, so this is looking good. Let me just also remove this connecting thing. Explain different types of values or actions that Excel function can do, and also add some simple functions like uh, some sample functions like option Greek, futures, etc. to make it relevant for FNO users. So in FAQ, I will do is FAQ 7. View all FAQs. Still have questions. Feel free to connect with us on WhatsApp. Let Let me just remove this. Contact support and request early access is fine. Let's just remove the demo part. Also add features why and remove the validation part from it. I think this will most likely end our website also. I think a few things that I need to do is uh, I will do few more things and then we can do